Say hello to the Jamaican dad. Rudeboy edition. Era? Well, unknown. Let's get into it. Well, what do we have here? The sighting of a Jamaican dad in the wild. Look at his stance. Look at his pose. 1 foot on the piece of block and 1 on the ground. Sensational. Now let's talk about his attire. The Jamaican Rudeboy dad is rarely ever seen without his classic mesh marina. Look at him. Basil. Now we know for sure that he has several mesh marinas in almost every color known to man, typically rocking the Rasta color. But today, he chooses black. And yes, you see it. You see it. Neatly tucked under the Rudeboy's mesh marina is the 3-star knife. This ratchet knife goes everywhere with the Rudeboy in his waist. Look at him take it out. The Rudeboy skillfully wields the 3-star ratchet knife on his index finger. Wheel it, Rudeboy. Wheel it. The Rudeboy now skillfully opens the ratchet knife. Look at him. Do it again, Rudeboy. Do it again, Rudeboy. Do it again. But please note, the Jamaican Rudeboy dad doesn't use this 3-star ratchet knife to inflict violence. He merely uses it to peel his orange. Skillful, Rudeboy. Skillful. Now if we look at it a bit closer, we'll realize that he has a ring on almost every finger. Wow. The Jamaican Rudeboy will not be caught dead without rings on his finger. But also his jewelry almost always has to be gold. He also is rocking gold around his neck. His chains blinging, dazzling, blinding the eye. And his pendant, of course, is the cross. Big and bold, because the Rudeboy knows that God is in control. Sensational, I say. What is that? A screw face? The Jamaican Rudeboy is always screwing his face all over the place. Because, well, Rudeboy don't smile. But what is this? The Jamaican Rudeboy is always wearing his darkers. Yes, this glasses is always worn by the Rudeboy whether day or night. Because, well, it complements his tough exterior. But hold on, pull up, selector. Because how dare we not see the Rudeboy's footwear? He's rocking the ever so classic Clarks. The desert. The Rudeboy is always and never will be seen without a Clarks on his feet. And of course, the Rudeboy has to carry his pants way above his ankle to show off his shoes. But wait. We did say earlier that the Jamaican Rudeboy doesn't skin teeth. However, he will certainly skin teeth when he has to show off his gold teeth. The Jamaican Rudeboy can always be seen with 1 singular gold teeth in his mouth, more than likely at the top. Easily identifiable as a Jamaican because of this peculiar feature. Well, there you have it, folks. Have a good look. Have a good look at the pose, the stature. A Jamaican Rudeboy in the wild.